What do you mean? It's an outrunner. Yeah, whatever. So we're gonna do our little repairs here. Might as well fix the elevator since I tweaked it. Is it okay? That's good enough still. Alright. Now let that bitch cool. Might need to cock that over, I don't know. We'll let it cool first. We'll straighten it out. Alright. Hey, let's get some Velcro on that battery, yeah? Or what? Or are we just gonna tape it in place?
CG.
CG's like shit. This thing needs to go like right here, like this. Yeah. What is that on there? Soft stuff?
Yeah, we need the
rough, the hook, not the loop.
Yep.
Watch me slice my finger here. Oh, I'm weak as fuck. You do it. You got 2 hands that are free. You can't even do it. Okay, make sure it's on the popsicle stick. That Velcro.